How to fix Brigit payment/transfer failed error. First, if you're having any kinds of payment or transfer failed errors on the application, you want to make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. You want to go to your settings and you want to go to your Wi-Fi and make sure it's turned on and the Wi-Fi is working. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet issues while making transactions. However, if you are still facing problems while making transaction, you want to simply long press on your Brigit application and simply remove the app from the device. After that, what you're going to do is install the app from App Store again. Here you want to type in Brigit and click on search. See the Brigit application over here. Simply tap on download to download the application. Doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems next time you are making transactions, since restarting apps solves most of the problem. However, if you are still facing any other kinds of problem while making transactions, you can simply restart your device once and open the app. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.